Have you ever felt stuck, like your potential is trapped within you? What if I told you that the key to unlocking your best self lies within? In this video, we will embark on a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and the power of personal growth. Personal growth isn't just a buzzword, it's a transformative process. It's about evolving, learning, and constantly pushing your boundaries. Imagine waking up each day with a renewed sense of purpose and ambition. That's the magic of personal growth. Studies show that people who actively pursue personal development are more successful in their careers and relationships. But what does it truly mean to grow personally? It's about making a commitment to yourself to learn, adapt, and improve continuously. Did you know that resilience can be cultivated like a muscle? The more you face challenges, the stronger you become. Resilience is your ability to bounce back from setbacks, and it plays a crucial role in achieving success. Building resilience starts with embracing discomfort. When you step out of your comfort zone, you not only face adversity but also learn to navigate it. Think of it as a training ground for your future success. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Now, here's a surprising fact: failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. Every successful person has faced failures and obstacles. The secret is how they choose to respond. Are you ready to reframe your failures? Before we dive deeper, if you're finding this valuable, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Your support helps us create more inspiring content to empower you on your journey. Overcoming adversity is a universal experience. Everyone faces challenges in life, but how you deal with them defines your character. Whether it's a personal setback or a professional hurdle, the way you respond is vital. To overcome adversity, start by acknowledging your feelings. It's okay to feel overwhelmed, but don't let those feelings control you. Use them as fuel to push forward. Remember, the darkest nights produce the brightest stars. Now, let's talk strategies for success. The first step is setting clear and achievable goals. Goals give your life direction and purpose. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks to keep yourself motivated and on track. In addition to setting goals, surround yourself with positive influences. Your environment plays a crucial role in your growth. Connect with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you, and watch how your potential expands. Here's a perspective shift: instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as stepping stones to success. Each challenge you face is a lesson learned. The more you learn, the more prepared you'll be for your next endeavor. As we wrap up, let's recap. Personal growth is about transformation, resilience is your ability to bounce back, and overcoming adversity is a test of character. Commit to your growth, face challenges head-on, and remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Don't forget to take action on what you've learned today. Subscribe for more insights and join us next time as we delve into the power of habits and how they shape your life. Until then, keep striving for your best self.